we are Cuban Norway Dance, and we like to make something good in the street with the friends, and all people can join us.
We basically love dancing outside, so we've got 2 buffers, whatever it's called, and we just come down here and when it's not raining, then we come here and dance.
What is the name of your club?
Cuban Norway Dance. Cuban Norway Dance in Norwegian.
And how many people do you have in your club?
We actually started this week.
No, we start this week.
We started Monday.
And you're so good.
Yeah, we're enjoying it.
Just to enjoy and have a good time with the friends.
That's basically the most important thing. Sharing, dancing, having fun with friends. That's really, that's the ideal thing.
Welcome to Fjord. My name is Jonathan. I'm a ripboat driver here at Fjords ferry. I'm born and raised in Denmark, but since I could breathe and walk, my parents took me to Norway. That was our holiday ritual. Very easy connection from Denmark to Norway, taking a ferry. And we all in very great fond of fishing and then hiking, so this is one huge playground when you like stuff like that. So a few years ago I met some locals here and they wondered whether I was interested in working here, and I said, well, look at it, it's the most beautiful office in the world. So it took me 1 minute to say yeah, and they gave me the shot, and this is my third season now. So I'm doing very well, and I gotta say that the best part of this for me, like of course there's individual moments, but that's what it's not all about. It's about the whole experience I get to share with people when they're on their vacation. This is something they will look back on in 5 to 10 years look at their albums or on the computer, and they will remember this, because this is completely outstanding. This is the most beautiful office in the world by far.
Hello, my name is Cecilia Balsnas, and I come from about 20 minutes outside of Oslo. It's called Bergen, and I grew up thinking I hated Oslo for 19 years, and then I moved here in March, and I found out that it is really beautiful. Yeah, and we have nature, it's very close by, which I love, and but a lot of people are not thinking about that and going there and to see it. They kind of, it's easy to get caught up in the, big city life, but it's there and it's beautiful. I thought Oslo was kind of dull, but then me and my girlfriend, we started this playing project for adults, and people love it. We just go in the park, we bring a giraffe and a stereo with the cool music playing Disney psytrance, and then people just come and play. Adults, just kind of forgetting the intellect, and they're very open to it. And I was in Salt Spring Island recently, and I saw it's very similar in nature to Norway, but I also saw that people kind of match more the nature there. They're very relaxed and very friendly, and this playing project we're doing, it kind of brings out that same vibe that I saw there, which is really cool. So keep playing, people.
Hey, we are from Oslo. And from Grandiose skole. What we like about Norway is in the summer it's very warm, and in the winter it's very cold. That could be positive in two ways. We are filming a school project, music video.
Was the song feeling good?
We chose this song because it's a lot of fun and we get to dress up.
You guys look good.
Thank you.
Now you have an idea what you're going to talk about because you said it once. So let's try it again and go for it. Okay, you guys got lost. We lost concentration here.
I don't remember.